Your friends might be keeping you broke, not on purpose. They probably have no idea, but it's happening. Here's how. The group chat goes off. Dinner Friday, brunch Sunday. Someone's birthday next weekend. A trip someone's planning for next month. It never stops. You want to say no, but you don't want to be the one who never comes. So you say yes. Again. You split the bill even though you only had a salad. You buy drinks you didn't want. You book the trip you can't afford, all to keep up. Then Monday comes. You check your account, and that stress hits. The weekend cost more than you planned, again. But nobody sees that part. They see you at the table. They don't see you checking your balance at 2 and wondering where it all went. Here's the hard truth. Your friends aren't paying your bills. They're not funding your emergency fund. They won't cover you when something breaks. That's all on you. And yet, the pressure to keep up is real. Saying no feels like rejection. Missing out feels like falling behind. So you keep spending money you don't have to maintain a life that's not sustainable. It doesn't have to be this way. You can have a social life without destroying your finances. It just takes boundaries. The Finance Reset Toolkit helps you set those boundaries. You create a social budget, a specific amount for dinners, outings, events. When you know the number, decisions get easier. Group chat pops off, check your budget. If there's room, say yes, guilt-free. If not, say not this time, knowing you're protecting something bigger. And here's a secret. When you start suggesting cheaper alternatives, a cookout instead of a restaurant, a movie night instead of a club, real friends go along with it. Some might even be relieved. They were feeling the pressure too. Boundaries don't end friendships. They protect your future while keeping the people you care about close. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop keeping up. Start building boundaries. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.